Publius Cornelius Tacitus Annales, Episode 20. Domi res tranquillae, eadem magistratuum vocabula, junior res post actiacam victoriam, etiam senes plerdrique inter bella civium nati, quotus quisque reliquus qui rem publicam vidisset. Now Tacitus summarizes this portion. He says, at home res tranquillae. At home, that is, on the domestic front, everything was at peace. So domi is going to be here feminine, singular, and locative. Remember, there are three nouns that are locative, even though they're not the names of cities, towns, or small islands: domus, humus, and rus. These can have locatives. So at home, in domestic politics, everything was calm, res tranquillae. That's going to be feminine, plural, and nominative. The magistrates, magistratuum, all had the same names. So now we have vocabula in the neuter plural and nominative. Notice that for both clauses, the verb is just understood. It's modified by eadem, and then we have magistratuum in the masculine plural and genitive. So the names of the chief office holders were all the same as in the previous generation. So the verb, of course, that we have here is sunt. The verb sunt is to be taken with both of these plural nominatives, vocabula and res. Juniores, the younger men, were born, we have to go to nati to understand the predicate of juniores. The younger men were born post actiacam victoriam, after the Battle of Actium. And that, of course, took place in 31 BC, at which battle Octavian, who was to be renamed Augustus, and Marcus Agrippa defeated Mark Antony and Cleopatra. So the younger men were born, nati sunt, after the Battle of Actium, actiacam victoriam, feminine singular and accusative as object of the preposition post, and even the old men, very many of them, plerique, were born inter bella civium, during the Wars of the Citizens, that is, during the civil wars. So bella here in the neuter, plural, and accusative as the object of the preposition inter, and then civium in the masculine, plural, and genitive to show a possession. They were born, most of the old men were born during the civil wars. Then this leads to this important question which concludes this section. He says, quotus quisque, precisely who was left, who had witnessed or seen firsthand the Republic. So quotus quisque and reliquus, each of these is masculine singular and nominative. They're going to be the subject of an implicit est. So who precisely remained that had witnessed the Republic? And as this is an interrogative, it's an interrogative adjective, we can say just how many for quotus quisque. Just how many persons were left who had witnessed the Republic? We disset, third, singular, pluperfect, subjunctive, and active. And this, of course, will be from the very common second conjugation verb video, videre. And down below here we have an artist's rendition of the Battle of Actium, which was a naval battle fought off the coast of Greece, once again in 31 BC, and gave Augustus supreme control of every aspect of Roman politics.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.